What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are lit up back here. Man, the sun is going down and it is cold out here. I'm about to head inside, but before I go, I want to get you flipped around and check out what we did to the mini truck today. All 4 tires are here. Hopefully we'll get those mounted and get them on the truck in the morning, but we did finish to get the mirrors on. So I'm going to get this flipped around, let you guys check out the mirrors on this. Alright guys, man, we've been working hard on this thing here lately. The mini truck, we took that for a ride. Man, it always looks good. Braxton Burkholder, he was here from 574 Truck Meets. He was here checking this out for a while, guys, hanging out. He sent me a clip of some things he was doing today. I definitely want to get that posted, let you guys check that out. You can also check him out on Facebook. It's 574 Truck Meets. You can follow his page. Lots of everything going on there. But anyway, guys, bam, there they are. We got them all wired up, hooked up, painted, and they're on, guys. I like them. They look a lot better than the big Dumbo mirrors that were on there. Definitely look a lot better, guys. I know the lighting out here is kind of bad. They're almost like the ones on the mini truck, but they're not quite. And I'm shivering and shaking, guys. It's cold out here. But here's the one on this side. You can go around. I'm definitely trying to get this in a little better light today, guys. But that's it. That's what we got going on today. Man, I love the red underglow on here. It looks so good, guys. So good. Man. But the other 2 tires for the Trap Blazer, right here, they came in. The other 2 are in the Trap Shack, put up, ready to go for tomorrow. You should be able to get these on, get it rolling, and it'll look real nice, guys. Real nice. We'll get it washed up, detailed up, get it all done inside, and man, we'll be rolling. Definitely be rolling for the year, guys. But that's what it is. That's what we're up to. I am freezing, guys. I'm gonna get these lights turned off, and I am going in for the day. I've had enough cold. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next clip. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.